Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here. And I did it using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I haven't used this palette in a while. I am a palette hoarder and sometimes I forget I have things. I didn't forget I had this palette, but I figured I would use it because I haven't used it in a while, in at least a couple of months. So this is what I came up with. And I really like it. It's very cool toned, but you know, I mean, I don't really like how cool tones look, but I think I actually like this. I actually like it a lot. Anyway, guys, if you want to know how to get this eye look, then keep on watching.
For our transition, I went in with the shade Pukey, and I'm placing that right above my crease. And this is one of those looks where it looks like you took some time and you put a lot of effort into it, but it literally took you 30 minutes. That's what I love about halo eyes. They have a really big impact, but they are very, very simple to do. So next, I'm using the shade Central Park, and this is a very neutral brown. I'm putting this on the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eye. And a reason I like this palette so much is because the shades are very pigmented, but they blend out very well. Now, don't get me wrong, some of the shades in here are a little tricky to work with, but the ones that I chose for this look are super simple to blend out without losing pigmentation. So if you do decide to recreate this look, like I said, it's literally going to take you 30 minutes top, but you're going to be walking around looking like you took hours. Then after I placed Central Park on the inner corner of my eye, I went in with the same blending brush I used to apply Pukey without any extra product and swiped it across my crease to connect the two sides. To deepen up that brown a bit more, I went in with the shade Enchanted, which is this very, very dark neutral green. It almost looks black. I didn't want to use a black because that's just really boring. So I decided to use this very deep green. And for some reason in the final look, everything looked purple. Don't ask me why, but it definitely looks purple, as you can see on my other eye. I don't have a reason for that. I don't know why it looks like that. But yeah, I'm just putting that shade Enchanted right on top of Central Park. And once again, I'm going to be taking that blending brush I used to apply to Pukey with no extra product and swiping it across my crease to connect the two sides. For a quick brow bone highlight, I went in with the shade in Light. And then for the middle part of my mobile lid, I used the shade Hustle. Now, this might be why the entire look looks a little purple. This is actually like a cool toned purple with like silver reflex. Or maybe it's like taupe reflex. I'm not really sure how to describe it. It's actually a very unique shimmer. But I used that in the center of my eye. I did have to foil it, but I pressed it into the center of my eye, and then I went back in with Central Park and Enchanted and blended out the edges just to make sure that everything melded really well and there were no harsh lines. So after applying Hustle for like the 15th time, because I did build this color up a lot, I did go back in with my transition color, which was Pukey, and reapplied it into my upper crease area. This is not a cut crease halo eye, this is just a regular halo eye, but I did want to define that transition area. Right, so after I applied my liner and lashes, I went in with a Ulta gel liner in the shade Plum. Now these gel liners are very hard to apply, but they do last. So it's kind of like you sacrifice application easiness for longevity, but I stan them, I like them. Alright, so after I applied my gel liner, I'm going in with the shade Central Park at first, and I'm putting that directly into my lashes, as you can see. And then on top of that, I'm going to be going in with that shade Enchanted again. And then to blend out my lower lash line to make it look less harsh, I went back in with the shade Pukey very lightly. And that's pretty much the look. Of course I added some bottom lash mascara and I was done. Literally 10 minutes worth of work. But great impact and it turned out really pretty.
Okay, so this is the final look. And if you're curious what is on my lips, I lined my lips with a Rimmel pencil, I believe in Coffee Bean. And then the liquid lipstick I'm wearing is from L'Oreal. It's in the shade Sweet Tooth. So I love a very bold eye and a pale lip. And this was kind of cool tone, so that's why I paired these two together. And of course, everything I used will be down below in the description box, as usual. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in my next video.